And let's start. Live, we have started. Happy Deepavali, Malini. Lovely to have you here. Like this phone, I've just adjusted. It might fall, but I've just adjusted it so that you can see me. Okay, cool. So today the topic is why you should use Access tools. So anybody here? So all the DJCCs and all the PES juniors that we function from, would you be willing to destroy and unkit them all? Right, wrong, good, bad,
Yes.
POC, all 100 shots, boys, POADs, bases, creations, and beyonds. So tell me, what is the function of tools and should you use it or has it helped you or whatever? Whatever comes. What is it? Anybody
I
here?
I trust you in the tools which I have done. Like I recently did the bars again, and then it became clearer that we require the tools on a daily basis, no matter what, because it's very powerful tools, and which goes into the questions and releases a lot from the brain. So I think we should use the tools every day, and we should learn to use the tools.
Yeah. Actually, there's no should, but
Yeah, it comes
it
naturally.
could be should for you because it's working for you, right?
Yeah. It is
I,
working, definitely.
yeah, I tried lots of different modalities before finding Access Consciousness, before Access Consciousness found me. Uh, I have been, not that all those modalities didn't help, they brought me where I am today. And Access Consciousness is not like anything I ever done before. It's not spiritual, it is not metaphysical, it's not religious. Why? Because it does not have a structure or a dogma or set of beliefs that you must accept or fit
Yeah.
into, you know, or fit yourself into. It actually took me a while to get the impact of that. We always look for similarities between the new and what is familiar with us. And we can't do that with Access Consciousness. It is unlike anything else out there. Do you all agree with me? No? Okay. Everything I ever tried and did or heard or uh, is based on some set of beliefs in stars, in God, in theory of human behavior, assumed truths, how this reality functions. This is possible, this is not possible. Everything that I did had a fixed set of conclusions that you were supposed to accept. It was nothing about who you are and knowing who you are, what's possible, what's not possible. Each thing, there were fixed definition that you should function from. There was no uh, where to go, but access is like going within, acknowledging you, knowing who you are, asking questions about what else is possible. It's actually out of the box, something out of the box. For everything else, you have to stay in the box. Am I saying something
Correct, correct.
making
Yes,
any sense?
yeah, true. This is actually out of the box.
Yeah. It has no dogma, it has no belief system, no program, a few very few rules.
Mm,
It doesn't say you should believe in us. It says take the tool and go for run, have fun. No
mm.
boundaries, no limitations.
And work on our energies.
Yeah, don't even have to work. Just to recognize that and choose what works for you and what doesn't work for you. It's not about making you wrong.
Mm,
And that's what I found is so different.
mm,
और कुछ है जो आपने अपनी जिंदगी में किया है जो एक डेफिनेशन से नहीं शुरू होता, ट्रूथ से नहीं शुरू होता? Access empowered me to know what I know
mm,
as an infinite being with the capabilities of knowing everything. Access is all about facilitating you to be your own expert rather than rely on somebody else's truth. Access will never define you or in any way limit you. What you can be and what you can create or generate. I've never known anything to be so liberating.
mm.
It was actually scary at first. So anybody else, anything else is coming to your zehen, which makes access a part?
Like when I did my bars recently, I was experiencing a lot of pain in my legs. Okay, and I couldn't walk properly from my childhood, and there was some kind of a stuck energy. And that day after the bars class, and when I slept in the night, it was very painful, and I couldn't even get up in between to apply any ointment or anything like that because I was so sleepy. And then I let the pain remain. Okay, and I thought like it will dissipate anyways because I've done my bars. And when I got up in the morning, there was no pain and I could walk very freely with ease. I
And
released the stuck energy from my childhood.
awesome. That's really awesome. Thank you for sharing that. Because most people,
And
if you had gone into, oh my God, I've done bars and it's painful, and how
mm,
you would have gone back to where you were.
yeah,
Like you said, you didn't give any heed to it, and you
yeah,
recognize that it because I've done bars, it will be okay now. It was
mm,
okay. Your point of view creates your reality.
yeah. And also, I want to add one more thing that I was suffering from varicose veins from past 18 years, and even that got disappeared.
Yeah, even with me, I second that. I had those blue
Yeah,
veins behind my legs, and they're
yeah.
not there. Yeah.
And for the first time, I had chocolate yesterday.
How does it get any better than this, and what else is possible? Yeah.
Mm,
Everything else is based on judgment.
yeah.
It's always a given about what's right, about what's wrong. Like tathastu. No,
Mm,
what
yeah.
was good, what was bad. What's good for you may be bad for me.
Mm.
Hi Shimona. Hi Vijay.
And
Welcome.
yesterday I was watching your video, and what came up was like you said, no, you go to the mirror and ask you from your body, like, how do you want to look? And for the first time, I got that awareness, and I asked my body, what food should I eat?
Yeah.
And I've been eating only that much of food, which is required by my body.
Awesome. How does it get any better than this? Yeah, because body is the one which eats, and we never even bother to ask. We just put our points of views on it. ये अच्छा है, ये बुरा है, ये. No, there is nothing अच्छा बुरा. Ask your body what it wants to eat.
Yeah. Because though I've heard lot of times, but yesterday after seeing your video, it changed completely.
Love you. You know, all these judgments are assumed. They're not the truth. ये किसी के साथ हुई, उसने कह दिया मेरे साथ ऐसे हुआ, फिर आप शेयर इट विद somebody else and then they share it with somebody else, giving reference कि रेवती के साथ ये हुआ था, ऐसे ही होता है, and then you buy that point of view and then you keep reliving that point of view and keep creating the same thing in your body. It's somebody else who arbitrated that point of view. Anything based on judgment sticks you in polarity. And it's essentially a binary system that cannot be overcome. And access operates from a space of no judgment. It's about consciousness. If everybody on the planet was conscious, can you imagine what the world would look like?
Kamal, here is a question.
Go for it, darling.
So if one is judging oneself, in a particular situation, oh, I didn't do this right. I should have done this. I should have done this. Then this wouldn't have arisen, etc. Have used million times tools in such situations. But sometimes, as you said, if you are judging, it's a binary system. You get stuck in polarity. So there's a stickness around making self wrong, judging self. And when one is doing that, it seems इसमें क्या शक है, ऐसे ही था, मेरे ये मेरी गलती है, ये मेरा ही ऐसे. So anything comes to you on that. Obviously, the
when you
situation is tough.
say, thank you for saying that ऐसे ही है, where is that coming from? Your points of views, right?
Yeah.
So have those points of view served you in the past?
No.
So isn't it insane to keep you using those as reference points rather than just ask a question and rather than just see the energy when you're wronging yourself, when you're making yourself wrong, when you're judging yourself? Is it light? Is it fun? Is it joyous?
No way.
You would choose that for what reason?
Yeah.
Don't you know better? Wouldn't you like to take care of yourself? It's a choice.
एंड ऑल्सो देर आर, ये तो समझ आती है कि इतना लेयर्ड होता है ये सब. मोबियस स्ट्रिप्स होती हैं, फॉर अ सिचुएशन टू अराइज, सो मेनी लेयर्स ऑफ थिंग्स, बट यू टेंड टू कंक्लूड एंड पुट ब्लेम ऑन समवन और योरसेल्फ.
या मेरा तो ये बैरोमीटर है कि कहीं मेरे को डिप हुआ नहीं, मेरी एनर्जी चेंज हुई नहीं, मेरे को गुस्सा चढ़ा नहीं, मेरा घबराहट हुई नहीं. आउट, आउट, stand out 10 feet away from me and then talk to me. Lower my barriers and ask a question. That easy, but you don't want it easy. You think the life has to be tough. You keep choosing the same thing again and again. You will choose it as long as you choose it until you don't choose it anymore. Until you unchoose it. And that, who does that? You, your choice.
One of my favorite tools is what else is possible.
Sorry?
One of my favorite tools is what else is possible.
Yeah. Or interesting point of view. I have this point of view. It
Yeah.
hasn't served me. I've been doing it for so many years. It's not served me. Isn't it foolish that I keep doing that again? Now, what else is possible? Thank you.
Yeah, and it shows up in my life. Like, last week, my maid just called up and said she won't be able to come. Somebody passed away in her family. In usual circumstances, I would get very angry and irritated. But immediately this tool came into my mind. What is this possible? I said it's okay. And then, when I was looking for, when I opened the phone WhatsApp, so somebody in the society had put up about the urban company services. And then I called her up and I asked her, what is this? And then she explained. And in 15 minutes, I got a maid. In 15 minutes,
Wow.
through the urban company,
Yeah.
and just for 49 rupees per hour.
No, that is real. I've heard so many times. I've seen it, the ad going on. I've heard it so many times. Is it real?
Yeah, it is. And the services were so good. I booked for nearly three
Wow.
hours. And then I could get all the work done very systematically, even which my maid would not have done. And she would have
Wow.
cribbed.
Wow. How does it get? Please send. Is it only in Delhi or is it also Noida or is it also in Chandigarh? Send
I
me.
don't know about Chandigarh, but it's there in Delhi and Noida for sure.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
When
you.
you open that app, Urban Company, so you will get the
Okay.
locations.
Cool. Cool. Thank you.
So it just happened.
Yeah, it didn't happen. You asked for it, darling. You asked a question. That's when it
Yeah,
happened. When you're
yeah.
functioning from acoustical, that time when you said, what else is possible? You were not functioning from electrical.
Mm,
You were functioning from acoustical. That's who you are.
mm.
Everything becomes easy. When you're
And I
functioning,
use
go for
and
it.
I use this tool every now and then because I get stuck in so many places and I
We
keep
all
using the
do. We
tool,
all do. We all do get.
and then it keeps opening up.
Yeah.
And
We
this
love
is very
functioning.
magical.
Exactly. We love functioning from electrical. It requires to be in judgment.
Mm.
You cannot maintain electrical vibration without judgment. You need to recognize that. By being acoustical, you can change what is electrical in other people's reality too. Be you and change the world. Whatever, wherever you have any problem, you can change it. What
Mm.
energy, space, consciousness can me and my body be that would allow us to have total clarity and ease with all of this for all eternity? Everything doesn't allow that. Would you
Wow.
be willing to discern and get it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, all 100 shots, boys, Pavad, basifications, and beyond. Vijay has her hand up. Yes, darling.
So I wanted to ask, like from past 2 months, many people have told me that my face is aging or what had happened suddenly, and I'm coming with many points of view. This might have happened. This that might have happened. What question should I ask to my body? Like what had happened?
Like Revati just said that she had pain and she said, okay, being an allowance of what is.
Okay.
One. Second, not buying into everybody's shit. Interesting point of view. They have that point of view. Hey, body, how would you want to look? How can we look? What else is possible that we haven't even considered? Do you require something? Do you require me to massage? Do you require me to go and get a facial? Do you require me to think? I say what you think here looks here.
Mm.
You run, you run negative stories here, your face will show all these wrinkles are your thoughts. Negative, your stories that you keep telling yourself, your judgments that you keep doing it all the time. Talk to your body, give a hug, say what can we do? How can we look? How would you like to look? Body, every morning look into, or everywhere you walk, wherever you get a mirror in the bathroom or somebody place in somebody's house or in a restaurant, wherever, just look at yourself and say, how would you want to look? Give a free hand to your body to look, and body is like to be lusted upon, to be appreciated, to look good.
Thank
Don't
you.
buy into anybody else's shit. I had a swap here. We had a swap here at my sister's. I'm in Nagpur. And yesterday we had a swap, and I think one of my first classes I did here way back in 2012, end or 13 beginning, and there were 14 people. And I think six of them came yesterday. And it was so nice meeting them, and it was such fun, and we had so much of fun. But one thing they said, every one of them, they didn't come together. Hey, you look the same. Hey, you look the same. Hey, you haven't aged. From 13 to now, it's 12 years. I'm getting younger. I'm getting younger.
Yes.
ये access का कमाल. How do you want to look?
Okay, can I have something to say? It's
Sure,
getting late.
go for it.
Okay. Right. I am in a very beautiful space at the moment, even though I still have pain. We'll talk about the pain just now. I feel that I asked. Access is like magic. I ask these questions, and then suddenly people come in my way, and they sort of empower me and motivate me and make things happen. It's like amazing. Oh, you can do that and you can do that just by asking questions. So I can tell you that Access has I've grown magically with Access, right? I've been gifted by asking for different Access courses, and I really don't earn enough, like a lot of money, but I ask for something, and the money just actualizes, and I make it happen. I'm even been to India all by myself. And
Yeah, you imagine how many people here have done SOP?
yeah.
How many people here have done SOP? Nobody. You came all the way from Africa to Asia, to India to do a SOP.
SOP,
How,
yeah.
how dare
So
you say you don't have the money?
I've
Yes.
done it. I've done it. Was she there in the same class? Recent one?
No, she was with me.
Yeah.
Okay.
I actually asked, you know what I mean? And it's got nothing to do with how much you have or how much
Yeah, it's
money
just
you
a
just
choice
ask.
you make.
Yeah, I just make a choice and it happens. Okay, so that happened in my life. And then my choice is now a little bit different. I'm still magically using Access consciousness tools and moving forward and whatever. And then I was like stuck with that, not wanting to change. And then I said, oh, I should just retire and just enjoy the gym instead of teaching all the time. And then suddenly I realized, if Kanwal can do it, if I'm saying your name correctly,
Yes, if
you
she
got
can, I can.
yes, she's got this magical group and she's got this fun aging and she's got all this magic happening. So why can't I do it? Especially in Africa, it's actually quite sad. In India, I was amazed at the number of people in SOP. And I think
Yeah.
and here in South Africa, I'm just like a handful of people that have done it. I think I'm just about the only, maybe other than the CFs, there's only 4 or 5 of us that's done it. So
Give yourself
in
a pat.
yeah, so and I actually, because you can't do a SOP if your country cannot, have the numbers. So India is doing magic. So every time I want to come to SOP, I'll have to come to India.
For
Anyway, so
any
that's
class,
by
come to India.
yeah. So that's by the way. And then someone told me, what the heck is wrong with you? You're supposed to be flying. You can fly. You can do this. And I said, really? I was just thinking of retiring and doing nothing. Anyway,
Not
so
at
there
all.
you
I'm
are.
not going to retire till I last breath.
Wonderful. Motivate me. I need that. So anyway,
Yes.
I'm making it happen and things just by being in the question. And I just heard you earlier on say that you do get your off times, right? So I sort of missed it. When you do get into that offbeat, what did you say you do with that emotion that comes up, like
I
you
said
stress too
out.
much?
I said
You just
out.
say,
Out of my body now. Stand there and talk to me. You're
okay,
not allowed to be inside here. I am the ease and joy and glory, and anything that doesn't, it takes away ease. First go out of my body and then talk to me.
great stuff.
Every
Okay.
morning, how many of you every morning deliver the litany of judgment at your body in every morning?
Yeah, we do that. Eh?
Everything that brings up, everywhere you've been choosing that. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate that, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, all 100 shots, boys, pavad, bases, patients, and beyonds. What would it be like if you had a movable feast called your body? Euthanizing your body. You're killing your body off. How many answers have you locked into your body? How many stories have you locked into your body? How many rights and wrongs have you locked into your body? How much torture do you give your body 24/7?
Let me share something, right, with my body.
Yes, please go for it.
This retreat I went for, like it was a leadership retreat. It was quite intense, but there wasn't very much of exercise like I usually do every day. Because I find that I get up in the morning. Lately, this is happening to me, and I've got my sinuses high, my body is sore, and stuff like that. And the minute I get out of the bed and start walking, or even start doing things, and when I start going to the gym and stuff, all that pain shifts. So this retreat was quite intense because I didn't do much movement, and I went back to square one with my body being sore. How do I overcome that? There's something in foundation where you take that molecules and you leave it out there and you turn the molecules.
You change the
Yeah.
molecules. Acha, how
Yes.
many do you have, Betty? Do you create problems to solve because you think you can solve them
Do I
in your
create?
body to prove you are infinite? This, even if you didn't understand what I said, was it like?
Yes. I do that.
What if you had the body that is so ease filled? You never had a problem. What do you look into the mirror? Whenever you see a mirror, what do you look into the mirror to? No, you look into the mirror to see what?
I'm very vain, so I look if I see if I'm pretty.
No, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. You are pretty. But do you even judge yourself?
Yes, I did judge myself
So
when I
when you
came
look
back
at
from the
yourself in the
retreat.
mirror and you judge yourself, you're creating problems. And then you know you're pretty and you can change it. And then you choose to, because show off that you are an infinite being. Your body is as good or as bad as you think it is. The day you feel good, that day you feel your body is beautiful.
Yes, and it feels like it doesn't have any illness. It doesn't have
Yeah,
this hip pain. But
yeah.
you know what? No, now that I just became aware, you, you know, the divine, the universe, whatever you want to call it, the universe is like talking to me. Change. Why are you there? Change. Make magic, and it's creating this um intensity in my body to make the change. I because
No,
I've
if you
been.
think you have to make the change, yes, it's going to be intense. If you just
Yes.
look at your body and say, hey, change whatever you would like to look like. You don't have to do anything. You have to ask your body to show you. The magic will start to begin. But when you think, I have to do something, I have to eat good, I have to do exercise, I have to do. No. Those things your body will somehow automatically lead you to, and you will have so much of fun without even realizing it if it requires. Give it a free hand. Stop looking at your body as something you cannot change instantaneously.
Okay, it's not the change of my body. My body is creating that intensity because I'm not changing my way of life.
Yeah, so it's giving you some information.
Yeah, it's
You
giving me
ask, hey,
information.
what is this? What else is, what can I do about this? Can I change it? Can we change it? Include your body. Can we change it? And if yes, then how? You know, majority of this world is based on contracting themselves to keep everything in order. Expansion is a different possibility and a different creation. Hey, asking question is expansion. Asking question is getting out of judgment. What tool can I use here? How does it get any better than this? What else is possible? What's right about this I'm not getting? What's right about me I'm not getting? What's right about this situation I'm not getting? What else is possible that I haven't even considered? How does it get any better than this? These are the questions that you should have it. Interesting point of view, I have this point of view. You should have it on your fingertips. Something that is true will always make you feel lighter. The lie will always make you feel heavier. If you get stuck on something, it is because you have a truth with a lie attached. What part of this is truth and what part of this is a lie, spoken or unspoken? More often than not, you will find that it is an unspoken lie that you have total awareness of. One of the laws of the universe is that if you think before you say or ask anything, you think truth. What is this? Because when you just ask what is this, then it is coming from your point of view. It's already belief system. Like Revati in the morning said something, and I said that your whatever comes out of your mouth is from those beliefs. Nippy said, she said about a wrongness. So those are all coming from her belief system. This is right, this is wrong, this is good. But when you say truth, this is a universal law, you will get the awareness.
Beautiful, beautiful. Oh,
So
you're
if somebody
amazing.
is lying to you and you say truth before you you don't even have to say it loud. You just say truth. Is she telling the truth? The other person must tell you the truth, or you get to know that they are lying. It works well with children. It works well in courts, with anything.
And you should run this 5 times in your brain. That's what you said. Truth.
Sorry?
Truth.
Yeah.
You told me that you have to tell truth, 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 truth 5 times. Then the other person will naturally speak the truth.
Did I say it 5 times? No, you can even say it one time with genuinely feeling that. You don't have to say anything. The universe knows everything, and it will sync with you if you are asking from no point of view. But if you say true, 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 that means you don't trust the universe. You have to tell it 10 times. You don't have to tell the universe 10 times. Only once is enough.
Okay.
Where are you coming from? When you have doubt, you will say something 10 times. When you know it's good, I say truth and I will get the truth. Once is enough. What is true will always make you feel light.
I
And
have solid examples of this.
a truth is not necessarily true, guys. सच नहीं होता. Everybody has their own truth. And what are they? They are just point of views. They are just assumptions. We have a lot of different truths from where we function. Everywhere you're stuck, there is some point of view that is keeping you stuck. These truths are actually lies and judgments labeled as truth. And many people use these truths as a way of destroying us. But you know how people will start, they may express these as desiring to share their truth with you. You know what? And then you buy into it. So that's why we say never share, never listen. When people want to share their truth with you, they usually want to tell you how you're wrong. And we have our own truths to make us feel secure about who we are. Don't buy people's truth as yours, please. And, oh, I'm insecure. What is insecurity? Insecurity is an unwilling to know. If you're willing to know, if you're willing to ask a question, you have a full cosmos library. Anybody who's trying to prove they're secure, they are not. They're always trying to prove the opposite of what they have decided they are. What are you doing? What are you proving? Check within. Why do I need to prove anything to anybody? Am I making sense, guys?
Yes.
Beautiful call, Kamal.
Have you any?
Especially,
Thank you, darling.
especially when you said, actually, at a certain level, we look for problems. We see that we can solve problems.
Yeah,
We find ourselves capable of solving problems. That's how.
bilkul, bilkul.
Whereas the problems are like nucleated spheres,
Exactly.
like bubbles. Don't
Exactly.
burn those, then
The first tool that we have is the bars, right? Bars is
Yes.
one, I personally feel bars is one of the important tools from the world of access consciousness.
Yeah.
So many times people say, ask me, what is the difference than other modalities? How you differ, how this access differs from other modalities. So one, I would say, I have lots of tools. They are like my Pandora box I can open, and I can, any situation, I can just get out of it in no time by just asking a simple question. Second is, it doesn't make you wrong. You are never wrong. You've never done anything wrong. You will never do anything wrong. There is nothing wrong. It does not judge you, make you wrong, who you are and what you are doing. There is no right and wrong in access.
but that sometimes the situation seems
हाँ जी बोलो. सुनी नहीं.
I'm saying sometimes, I say sometimes it was so clear.
Why are you
and
hiding, Lipi? Why are you hiding? आपको नीरू ठीक करती है मेरे ख्याल. नीरू ठीक करती है आप लोगों को. वहां आपकी शक्ल पूरी दिखाई देती है.
Can you hear me?
I can't hear you because I can't see you. She's gone? Okay. Anybody else has any question? So I was going,
Uh,
I was telling you the difference.
Yes, we're waiting for.
Yeah. So in Gary's and Dane's class, they will always honor you. They will honor your choices. Access honors your choices and free will. And it empowers you to choose greater. It encourages you to outcreate yourself and outcreate others. It is kind of a way of life. It is a system that allows you to change any and all aspects of your life in a way you cannot even begin to imagine. It acknowledges your potency, capacity to create miracles. I started seeing miracles in everything. I started seeing the magic.
I started seeing the exuberance.
Anything else that I haven't said and you get it, please tell me.
I said I started seeing the exuberance.
You started seeing what?
Exuberance.
Yeah, exactly. The abundance, recognizing the abundance, that abundant being that I was, and that I'd created so much of magic.
And now I feel I'm very, very lucky, you know. I'm very fortunate.
Yeah, you start to recognize all that. It empowers you to recognize all that.
Yeah. I started dancing for the first time, which I never did in my life.
Just look at how you would like your life to be and ask your body along, take your body along with these tools and ask. Question is a beautiful tool. Allowance is a beautiful tool, that everything is an interesting point of view. Look at how you would like to change or choose different. Not from judgment, just for the fun of it. Absolutely love your life. You will have more sense of peace. It's interesting how you start to love yourself and your life starts to change and the peace just becomes a part of it. What would I like to choose now? We even don't have to make a decision about whenever we choose, we choose from judgment. Ye nahi theek hai, ye theek hai. That's not a choice. Does it give me joy? Can I do this all day long without getting tired? What if I actually asked for more? Never get contented, nothing gets completed. Life is living continuously.
The tool that you mentioned, no, what energy, space, and consciousness can I be that will allow me to have total ease with whatever? So I ask this tool every day in the morning. This is my favorite tool, very, very favorite.
Yeah.
And so many, this I ask in the early morning, and I see there are so many opportunities that open up, and so much of creation I am for the whole day, and I keep creating the whole day.
Yeah. You're the creator.
Which I never did in my life. I never thought that this day is really, really precious. But with this tool, I know that every day is precious and every day is different. And I can create so much each day. And this is my favorite tool. And that tool you were mentioning.
These tools are so valuable. I feel they're the treasure.
Yeah.
This toolkit has changed my life.
Yes. And I put so much of energy, you know, when I speak of these tools. There's so much of energy that flows into my body and in my life.
My connection was weak. What did you say, Revati? Which tool?
All the tools.
What energy, space, consciousness can I be that will allow me to have total ease
And joy in my life
and joy, yeah,
for all eternity.
for all eternities.
If you take these tools and apply them, I mean that they have become a part of my life. You every moment is a miracle. I have been having so much of fun since I've come here, and usually it used to be, oh, अब इतना खुश नहीं हो, पता नहीं कल क्या होगा. This used to be my thing, you know. आज बहुत बढ़िया सेल हुई है, कहीं अब क्रॉस फिंगर्स, कहीं कल की सेल कम ना हो. See where I was functioning from? Doubt, and I would create the same next day. Here, I have had a bars class, I've had swap, I've had 2 days of exhibition, I have been to all the 3 clubs they are members of every night. I've been eating out, I've been having so much of fun 24/7, meeting people and enjoying life. I've been to a mela, I've been to these mental health Mela. I've been to a concert, man singing. In these, how I came here on the 10th. Today is what? 19th. Today is my brother-in-law's birthday, and he's no more. But there is Nippy. Are you going for the play?
Yes, Kamal, I'll go. Yeah.
Please go. I'll miss it. So, life is awesome. And what more is possible? Choice, change. Choice, question, possibility, contribution. If you're functioning from these tools, you can create a life that you desire fully. Choose. What's light? Go for it. See the possibilities. Lightness will tell you the possibilities of those choices. When you choose it, you will create the same lightness. Have fun every moment of every day. What would
Can
I
I
like
ask
to
a
choose now?
question?
Yes, please go for it.
Yeah, like, you know, I see the students like every day were so fearful of the exams. They have so much to study. They say, ma'am, I forget. Though I study, I forget. And there is so much to study, and only few questions come for the exam. So, what tool can I use for this?
You tell them
Oh,
it's like that. Yes, yes, it's not that you don't know, it's the fear that this thing has instilled, this life, the world has instilled in you. You read, trust that you will know when the question comes. And then you can ask the universe, tell them to ask the universe that whatever is required, put it in my head.
Okay.
And believe in you. Have no doubt. You have learned it, it will be there. And it will be more than what you know will be there. So trust yourself and go for it with confidence. Fear is all a lie. There is no fear until you choose it.
And what if they get stuck in between, not able to go, not able to write?
Lower your berries and
they're
ask.
forgotten.
Lower your berries and ask a question. Hey, what's the answer for this? Universe, can I have it?
Okay, when they forget.
They don't forget. Nobody forgets. It's the fear that goes away. Whatever you know will come to you. Even when you don't know, have you realized that you judge something that you've not done in this lifetime? Or it's not even concerning you? You're sitting in the living room and some 10 people are talking about something which doesn't even concern you. You will agree and go align and agree with them, or resist and react with them. Why? Because you already know. Because you've done it and been that. You've lived 84 lakh Junes of lifetimes. You've done everything. When you judge, you cannot judge something that you've not done. So your judgment pops up like that for everything. That means you've done it and been there. Everybody, you're not the only one. Everybody has done and been there. They all know it. Just tap into the universal consciousness. You will get your answers. Believe in yourself. There
What
is
if somebody doesn't
there is
want to
no
take?
stuckness. That's a lie. You lower your
Okay.
berries and ask a question.
And what about the ones who don't want to take baths?
Don't want to take?
Baths, like for example, my daughter, she refuses to take baths.
Don't force them. I told you earlier also. Don't
Yeah.
force them. That's their life. They might already be knowing what you're talking about. My son lives a better life than any access person lives. He doesn't like access. So you're judging it. Honor her choice. Don't have your way of talking, your way of behaving, the peace within you is going to change her. She doesn't have to do bars to change. There's so many people who've done bars and never change. There's so many people who've never done bars, but just looking at you will like to choose something different.
But me knowing the benefits of bars and I want to give it to her.
No, live it. Please
Mhm.
live it. Live those benefits and she will change. Looking at you. People don't, if you give 10 things you to your children to do, ऐसे करना चाहिए, ऐसे करना चाहिए, ऐसे, they will never do it. But if you do those 10 things, they will incorporate it in their lives. Automatically. You need to change for them to change. You don't have to force anybody to change. Please don't force anybody to change.
Mm. I don't have to use any tools for this.
No tool. You choose for yourself. All the tools that you have, choose for yourself.
Okay.
Choose. You follow your awareness. Ask questions. Never conclude. What shows up in your face is what you need to look at. Not making it right, not making it wrong. Please read 10 Keys to Freedom. Lovely book. It's a beautiful book.
And those who want to take bars, they themselves will choose.
You chose, somebody forced you to choose?
No.
So she will choose
I
what
came across.
Yeah, you came across, no, you asked for it. Some way or the other, you asked for it, it came across. When the teacher is taught is ready, the teacher appears. She's not ready. Don't force anybody.
No, yeah, I'm talking about in general.
Yeah, in general, I'm talking about in general only. That you don't need to force anybody. We get it when we get it. 10 बार कोई बोलता है तो हमको कहीं समझ नहीं आता. And suddenly we will get it. Or we will not get it. It's the same with everybody else. They get it or they won't get it.
Okay.
So any other tool you want to talk about, guys? Before we end, we've got 2 minutes.
Give me a tool where I can choose classes.
Where you can choose?
Classes.
Choose classes. That's the tool. Choose. Oh, I would like to do that. And start register it for it. And then leave it to the universe. Show me the money. I've always done it like that. I just choose that and then I get the money. Not only for classes, हमें घर का ये कुछ कराना है, वो करना है. whatever. Nagpur mein aana hai. I got so much of jewelry on the plane. How does it get any better than this? I made it infinite. If you were facilitating yourself in every now moment, what would you do? Ask questions. Never conclude. Always. What is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it? Look at what you would like your life to be. Do you love your life as it is at the moment?
Yes. But I
Then,
want to choose the classes.
then go choosing. If you are grateful for where you are, it will lead you to what more is possible. If you're not grateful for where you are, you will choose not gratitude and not things to come into your life. Gratitude is one thing, that's another tool. Gratitude is one thing that brings you more things to be grateful for,
Hmm.
gives you more peace. Now what? Now what would I like to choose? Gratitude is the key. Be happy with every aspect of your life. Like you said, I had a lot of pain, but I didn't give. I said, I've done bars, it's got to go. Your point of view creates your reality. Your point of view is your daughter will not do access. She will not do access. If I have no point of view, then what else is possible here that I have not even considered? Guys, it's 9-1.
So money also will show up accordingly, isn't it?
Everything
Like
shows
this.
up. Everything shows up. You choose, everything shows up. What's the next week's topic, guys? Hello? Anybody suggest next week's topic?
I'm always suggesting let somebody come up.
You're suggesting what?
I'm always suggesting every
Oh,
week.
suggest then. If nobody else suggests, you suggest, yeah. Why do you not have to? I'm always looking for more. Why not?
Kamal, not going into the wrongness.
Okay.
Charging magnets
What
for
is
attracting
wrongness?
abundance.
Huh?
Charging magnets for attracting abundance.
Charging magnets?
Charging magnets for attracting abundance.
That's not access. Access is about asking for abundance and getting it. Why do you have to charge something? Why do you have to make something more important than you?
Right.
Ask and you shall receive is the law. ये होगा, ये तारा ऐसा होगा, तो ये चांद ऐसा होगा, तो ये दिन ऐसा होगा, तब वैसा होगा. Your point of view creates your reality. Exactly वैसा ही तभी होगा. But if you are the creator and you can have it all, you are an infinite being with infinite possibility, infinite choice, infinite magic, you can just choose. Why would you make anything else more important than you? Everything that brought up, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all, right, wrong, good, bad,
Yes,
bad, all
yes,
100 shots,
yes.
boys, for bad, basis, occasions, and beyond. So, wrongness. What is wrongness? The topic?
What is wrongness? Or
Why would you choose to be wrong?
why would you
What is the
choose to
benefit of being wrong?
or being in wrongness of you?
What's the benefit of being in wrong? That's too long a topic.
Okay.
इसको short कर लो, कैसे करोगे?
Getting out of wrongness.
Awesome.
Yeah, I think awesome.
I think that's great. Getting, thank you. getting out of wrongness. Awesome. See you next Sunday. I'll be in Chandigarh. I hope so.
Great.
I hope so. When is the next Sunday? What is the date?
26th, Kamal.
I will be at Chandigarh. I'm reaching there 25th.
Ach. So I'll also go today I was getting massage, not in position to switch on camera for Chennai.
Yes, please go.